Good afternoon. This is Rich Nass, Executive Vice President with Open Systems Media and leader of the Embedded and IoT franchises, here for this week's installment of 5 Minutes With. This week, I am speaking to Fabien Chouteau, and he is a software engineer from Adacore. Good afternoon, Fabien, and did I get your name right?
Yeah, good afternoon. It was perfect.
Being from New Jersey, I often don't do the foreign names all that well, so I'm glad I got it right this time. Okay, now Adacore, you may or may not know, speaking to the audience, sponsors a challenge. I believe last year was the first year of the challenge, and this year they're repeating that challenge, and probably on a wider scale, for embedded developers, where they're asking embedded developers to design something around the Ada language. Did I get that right? Did I get that right, Fabien? And would you expand on that a little bit to what it's all about?
Yeah. So as you said, it's the second time we organize this competition. I guess the idea for us is that Ada and Spark technologies are very well known in the safety critical domain, which can be seen as a little bit serious and too much constraint. And with this competition, we're trying to open our technologies and bring people to try it on fun projects, I guess.
Okay. So what are some of the things you learned from the competition this year? And if I could ask, what were some of the interesting entries?
So we are very pleased to see very different projects. From the beginning, we didn't want to restrict to a specific subject, so we said to the contestants, just pick a subject that you like and work on it. So the winner from the last competition was a network monitoring device, scanning packets on Ethernet and displaying some statistics. We got things like robots, IoT, very, very different subjects, even electronic test and measurements device. So that was really, really interesting. Okay.
And were the entries what you were expecting, or were you surprised by anything?
Yeah, I guess we were kind of surprised by the quality of the first entries. We got a lot of very good documentation, people doing continuous integration and this kind of very high quality software practices. So that was really interesting as well.
Okay. And were the entries global? I mean, were you getting people? Were you getting entries from all over the world?
Yeah, that's right. There was really all continents represented, really, really from all over the world. And that was very, very nice to see as well.
And what was the prize for the winner? What really made people enter?
So last year, and it's the same for the competition this year. The first prize was $5,500. Then we have a second place at $2,200, and a third place at $1,100.
Well, that would certainly make me enter. And I'm also very pleased that I've been asked to be a judge in this year's competition. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and I'll probably learn something along the way.
Yeah, thank you for participating.
I don't suppose you're eligible to join the contest.
Me, no, I'm not.
That would be too easy, right?
Hopefully, yeah, that would be a bit suspicious, I guess.
Absolutely.
Coming from me.
And what's the timing? When should people start looking for information about the contest?
So the competition will start May 15 and end in September 15. There is no real constraint on when you should start your project. You can start whenever you want. Last year we got people working under the radar, let's say, and just publishing their project at the last minute, which is fine as well, if you want to do that.
Okay. And where would somebody go to get more information?
So the website is makewithada.org, and you will find all the information over there. We also have a Twitter account, Ada Programmers, where we will broadcast some information as well.
Very good. That was makewithada.org. And you just heard from Fabien Chouteau, a software engineer for Adacore, and I'm Rich Nass with Open Systems Media. Thank you for being my guest, and have a great day, Fabien.
Thank you.